sushi โอเคได้เลยค่ะ
I'm gonna make sushi. Okay. What is it? Crab stick.
Plastic
This one?
System
Scissor. This one? Seaweed.
Seaweed
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice
Shoyu sauce.
Shoyu sauce Water Block
Blood.
Bamboo mat Bamboo mat
Bamboo mat. And then plate.
Plate
First step. Let's do it. First step. Scoop a sticky rice. Scoop.
Scoop Scoop
Can you say scoop?
Scoop
Sticky rice. Put in the block. Put in the block. Can you say? Good job. Scoop again. And then wash your hand. Okay, scoop again. Can you say?
Scoop
And then put
Put in the block
in the block. Okay, wash your hand. Wash your hand and then press. Press. Press like this. Okay. And then take it off on the bamboo mat.
on the bamboo
Wow. And then add a crab stick on the sticky rice. Can you say?
As the casting on
Crab stick
crafting
on.
on the sticky rice
Good job. And then what is it? Seaweed.
Seaweed
Put it together. Good job. Okay, let me help you. Okay. And then place on the plate. Can you say? Place on the plate. Good job. Ooh. Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Can you say I?